Hi everyone! So in this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-standing mermaid pose. But before that, tuturuan ko muna kayo kung paano mag-mermaid pose para kapag nasanay na kayo sa mermaid pose, mas magiging madali na sa inyo yung standing mermaid pose. Kasi yung standing mermaid pose kasi is medyo mahirap siya. Kailangan mo talaga ng matinding balance and leg strength. So if you're interested in that, let's go ahead and get started. So in order to do the mermaid pose, mag-start muna tayo sa pigeon pose. So yung pigeon pose, para siyang ganito. Make sure na yung both yung shoulders mo is nakaharap sa side. Yung hips mo ay naka-square. So hindi pwedeng nakaganito, kailangan pa ganyan. And yung hips mo is naka-straight, facing sideways. And yung back leg mo is dapat hindi nakaganito. Hindi dapat nakaganyan. Hindi dapat expose yung tuhod mo. Kailangan nakatago siya dito sa yoga mat. So, ganyan. And keep your posture straight. Yan. And, para magawa natin yung mermaid pose, iaangat lang natin yung back leg natin. Yan. And, ihuhook natin yung back leg natin sa arms natin na parang pag ganito. Yan. See? Okay. And then, interlock mo yung both fingers mo. And then, try to raise it up like this. See? I-try mo munang i-master yung mermaid pose para magawa mo na yung standing mermaid pose. So, kung na-master mo na yung mermaid pose, i-try na natin yung standing mermaid pose. Ilang beses ko nasabi yung word na mermaid pose sa sentence na yun. Anyways, let's start. So, practicein muna natin yung pag-hook ng leg natin para ma-improve yung balance natin. So, pwede kong gumamit muna ng wall kung sakaling hindi pa okay yung balance mo. So, what you can do is, angat mo yung top leg mo, tapos hawakan mo yung leg mo like this. Para kang nagka-quad stretch. And then, try mong gawin yung katulad ng ginawa natin sa mermaid pose kanina na parang ganito. There. See? And then, kailangan yung bottom leg mo is straight. And kung okay ka na nung walang wall, try mong no hand challenge. So, parang ganyan. So, practicein mo lang yon. So, sa hands naman, you can put your hands in a prayer position. Interlock mo yung fingers mo. Stretch mo na paganyan. Then, try mong stretch na paganyan. Like, behind the ears. Behind the ears. And then, what you can do is, i-bend mo siya ng konti pa sideways. Yan. Yan. Importante yan para masanay yung muscles. So now, itry natin i-combine yung ginawa natin kanina. So, hook mo yung arms mo sa top leg mo. Like that. Like this. And then, interlock mo. And there. See? Now, try natin sa ibang angle para mas makita nyo. So, hawak ka muna sa wall and then taas mo yung top leg mo. Like this. And hook mo siya. Make sure na yung bottom leg ay straight. And then, try mong interlock yung fingers mo. And then, do it like this.
Just make sure lang na you're completely warmed up before trying this pose. The standing mermaid pose can improve your balance and stability, so always practice both left and right sides. It also strengthens your ankles and builds your core strength. And it lengthens your quads, hip flexors, and lower back. And it's also a very impressive yoga pose to learn.
I hope you learned something new in this yoga pose tutorial, and if you have any questions about this tutorial, then leave them in the comment below. And if you wanted to learn more new yoga poses to introduce to your body, then just click here. Tinuro ko dyan kung paano mag-baby crow pose. And I'll see you guys in next video ko. Bye!